Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to present about paper implementation of Taguchi method to assessment workspace design. The physical work environment is one of the factors that can affect employee performance because the work environment is a place for employees to do their work. The work environment is known as workspace. It is studied in workspace design. In achieving a comfortable workspace, the condition of the physical workspace needs attention from both the manager and the employees. It can be done by conditioning the workspace factors such as lighting, noise, temperature, and aroma. This research was conducted to assess workspace design based on lighting, noise, temperature, and aroma factors using the Taguchi method. The Taguchi method seeks to optimize product and process design so that the final performance will be in accordance with the target and have a minimum variability value. From this picture, we can say that the Taguchi method is the core of full factorial experimental design. In this research, we have 5 steps. Step 1 is defining Taguchi design of experiment or DOA. Step 2 is do the experiment. This experiment is typing test fit on https://fastfingers.com/typing test/Indonesian. We calculate how many words can be typed in 1 minute. Step 3 is analyze Taguchi design, and step 4 is analyze of variance or ANOVA. During the analyze, we use the Minitab software. And then step 5 is conclusion and recommendation. This is how we defining the workspace factor. We got the 4 factors affected workspace. There are lighting, noise, temperature, and aroma. Every factor has 2 levels. The factor lighting has level light and dim. The factor noise has level silent and noise. The factor temperature has level cool and hot. And then the factor aroma has level fragrant and not fragrant. The orthogonal array, we use LA 2.4. And then we use the Minitab. This is the Taguchi experimental design. We got 8 experiments. This is the combination of 4 factors and 2 levels. Every experiment was done in 1 day. So we need 8 days to finish this experiment. In 1 day, we need 30 samples or 30 repetition typing tests. This is the result of our experiment. This is the analysis of Taguchi. The first, we analyze on S and ratio. We see that the high score is at level 1 of factor A, B, C, and D. And then we rank. The second, we analyze on mean factor of workspace. And then we got that the highest score is at level 1. And then we rank. And then we use the larger the better. So we get 3 factors affected workspace design. There are light, noise, and temperature. On mind effect graph, we know that from factor A, B, and C have significant different score on level 1 and level 2. So factor A, B, and C have gradient line. But on factor G have no significant difference score in level 1 and level 2. So the factor D have no gradient line. On analysis of variance or ANOVA, we use the Minitab. The result is significant if p-value less than 0.005. Or the result is significant if f-value is more than f-table. We know from here, the p-value of factor A, B, and C is 0.000 and 0.001. So we say that the factor A, B, and C is significant. But the factor D, the p-value is 0.939. This is more than 0.05. So we say that the factor D is not significant. Here we see the F table. We use degree of freedom 0.0538. And then we got the F table is 4.07. Factor A, B, and C have F value more than F table. So we say that factor A, B, and C is significant. But the factor D, the F value is 0.01. This is less than 4.07. So we say that the factor D is not significant. From this ANOVA, we can conclude that the factor affected workspace design is factor A, B, and C. This is the light, noise, and temperature. As a conclusion and recommendation, from the implementation of Taguchi method to assessment workspace design, the research indicates that the significant factor affected workspace design is lighting, noise, and temperature. The condition ideal factor is at level 1. It is supported by the ANOVA result that lighting, noise, and temperature are three factors significantly affect typing speed test and have high score words per minute. As a recommendation, the managerial should arrange workspace design by prioritizing bright lighting, silent modes, or not too noise, and cool temperature. Okay, I think that's all. Thanks for your attention. Good afternoon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.